Welcome to dear friend of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar we should enter the X Icon Changer. And now we should get this first application. That's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that we just should open the application and tap here to continue tab. Now we can select one from these applications. For example, let's use the phone app. We can rename this app just by click here to the edit icon. I don't want to rename it. We can use the new icons from library on our device application here. There's available icons, or also we can use photo from our device gallery, or we can take a picture right now in camera app. I'll go with the library icon. For example, I'll use this one. Then just tap here to OK on the right upper corner. Just wait a couple of seconds to skip the ads, and then click here to add. Now we can go to the desktop, or we can change next icon by the same way. Just select the app, use the icon, and just tap to OK. And now we can see here the new phone just icon here, and this is the old one. So we can see here the difference. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.